So here we have a next topic, combinational circuits. Combinational circuits. In this we are going to learn two combinational circuits, half adder and full adder. Okay, so what do you mean by half adder? Half adder is a combinational circuit which adds single bit at a time. It adds two binary digits giving a sum bit and a carry bit. Now let me tell you the functionality of this half adder. Okay, half adder has two inputs, A and B. I can take the inputs as inputs A, B and outputs sum and carry. Okay, so here combination 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now 0 0 ORing with 0, you will get sum 0, carry 0. Next 0 ORing with 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 ORing with 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 or 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. What is this? This is a truth table. This is the truth table for half adder. What is a half adder? Half adder is a combinational network. It is an example of combinational network. It contains logic gates. Okay, logic gate interconnection in a particular fashion is known as logic network. What is logic network? Logic network is the interconnection of logic gates for a particular function to be performed. Yes, half adder adds two binary digits giving two outputs, sum and carry. Now how to write a sum expression? I'll tell you how to write S is equal to. What is S is equal to? See, check the column S where it is 1. Here in the second row it is 1. So it is A bar B. A bar B plus. Next, check the column in the sum column where it is 1. In the third row it is 1. It is A B bar. So A B bar. What is this is equal to? A XOR B. Isn't it? A XOR B. What is this means? It is XORing. A bar B plus A B bar is equal to A XOR B. Next, for carry, C is equal to. C is equal to. Check the C column where it is 1. In the last row it is 1. So for that, where A is 1 and B is 1. So C is equal to AB. C is equal to AB. So these are the expressions for sum and carry. S stands for sum output. C stands for carry output. So half adder is a combinational network which adds two binary digits and gives two outputs, sum and carry. So here let me draw the logic network for this. Sum is equal to A XOR B, right? So logic network for half adder. Sum is equal to A XOR B. A B, yes, sum is equal to A XOR B. Carry is equal to AB. A B. So AB, it's an AND, logical AND here. So I'll use one AND gate which gives me carry. So which type of, this is a logic network for the half adder. Okay. So hope you have understood this half adder. Next we have NOR logic for this. And NAND logic. So what we have to do here, we have already done this. I'll just redraw this with A, B as an input. This is a XOR gate which gives me some output. And this is A, this is B, this is carry. Okay. So how to do NAND logic for this? How to do NAND logic for this circuit? So what is sum is equal to? First write sum is equal to A B bar plus A bar B. This is the sum expression. Okay. So here we can also rewrite this as A B bar plus A bar. What is A into A bar? It is nothing but 0. We can also write that. Rewrite this. A bar B plus B bar. What is B bar? It is also 0. We can rewrite the expression and then take A common in these two. First and second term, take A common. B bar plus A bar. Plus you take B common in this. A bar plus B bar. Hello? Huh? What happened? Huh? What happened? Net. Oh, net hoಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. I think net went slow. I think maybe I'll check it out. We can rewrite in this way. A B bar into B into AB bar this bar. You need to use here De Morgan's law. Break the bar and change the sign. What you have to do here is you have to take the entire bar and then break it. If it is plus, it will become ANDing. Okay, so in this way you will get for sum. And next for carry, it is A B, can also be written as AB double bar. Okay, so here it is also double bar. For NAND operation, you will always get A into B whole bar. So you have to make double bar means you have to take the bar, double bar, break the sign, break the bar and change the sign. See, it was plus here, it became and it was plus here, it became and bar and whole bar. Okay, so here it was plus, it became and a bar plus b bar, it was a into b whole bar. Okay, you can rewrite the sum expression in this way and then reconstruct this sum expression into NAND gate only. Okay, so how to redraw this? So here this is a NAND logic only for half adder. Here this gives me sum and this gives me carry. Okay, so if I go on putting the expressions here, I will get this expression back. That is AB bar plus sum is equal to, what I will get the expression here? Sum is equal to AB bar plus A bar B. And here I will get, see here, from this I have taken a point, from here I have taken a wire out. This gives me AB bar, I want AB double bar. So if I put a shorted NAND gate, no, I will get here AB double bar. So AB double bar is nothing but carry is equal to AB. Carry is equal to AB. So this is the NAND logic for half adder. Half adder adds two binary digits which gives me two outputs, sum and carry. So next we have NOR logic for half adder. So all of you try to write it in the NOR form. So I want the expression, first I will write the expression for sum. So what is NOR gate expression? NOR gate expression, what is it? A plus B whole bar. At the end, when I do some reduction, I should get in this type NOR gate A plus B, because I am implementing it NOR logic, no? So I want it be something like A plus B whole bar. This type of expression I require at the end. Okay. So rewrite this again as it is A B bar plus A bar. I can write it is nothing but 0. A bar B plus B bar. Okay. So this one, what I will do is I'll take it as A plus B and A bar plus B bar. How did I get this? When I take A common here, A bar plus B bar I got. When I take B common here, I got A bar plus B bar. So A plus, by applying the law, I will get A plus B on one side and A plus B, A bar plus B bar on another side. So after applying this, I'll put double bar on this. After applying double bar, I'll apply double bar first. Next, apply De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. It says that A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar, or AB whole bar is also equal to A bar plus B bar. It states that, the De Morgan's law states that, change the sign and break the bar. Two steps are there. First you break the bar and then change the sign. Okay. So if I do like that, no, I'll get here A plus B, break the bar. Here it was and I will get plus. Okay. This is whole bar as it is, the upper one. A bar plus B bar. The upper one bar it is as it is. The down one I am breaking the bar. So A plus B, break the bar. It was and it became or. A bar plus B bar, break the bar. I have broken the bar and then changed the sign. Okay, so carry can be rewritten as AB. It was AB, right? Carry expression. So it is AB double bar can be rewritten as A bar plus B bar whole bar. So now draw the logic network for this. Draw the logic network for this, for the sum and for the carry expression. So I will just draw it, just check it out. You should get at the end, you should get that expression. This is shorted NOR gate. A input, B input. So this is the NOR logic network for half adder. Half adder has carry and sum.